not only moved into the green, but have been big winners of 2023. The gifts that keep giving, as we spoke at the top of the show, we have JBM Auto, over 180% gains in this year itself. The company also reported healthy double-digit profit and revenue growth. So stock price growth was met by fundamental outperformance as well, but more importantly, the outlook for their electric vehicles is something that we will be focusing on today. Nishant Arya, who's the VC and MD of JBM Auto, joins in now. Thanks a lot, Nishant, for joining in, and congratulations on being a big wealth creator for 2023 for investors. But everyone's looking at what 2024 holds for you, and more specifically FY25. You had guided for nearly 5,000 crores worth revenue in this year. Where are we on that target? And secondly, the next year, what are you targeting? How much comes in from EVs then?
So in this year, we are on target and we'll be looking to surpass the 5,000 crores so that we are having a larger share of EV also. So we'll be having more than 1/3 of the top line from the EV business. And that is definitely also more profitable and adding substantial growth to the company.
Okay. Nishant, hi, welcome to the show. If you could just give us a few more details with regards to the e-bus scheme. The last time we spoke, you said that you had an order book of around 5,000 electric buses currently. Where does it stand now? What is the outlook for incremental orders coming through maybe in the second half?
Yeah, so we are actually delivering those buses and in Q3, Q4 and until H1 of FY25. So until September, we'll be delivering all these buses. And currently, we are all looking forward to different cities and states, and we are working with multiple Fortune 500 companies also, where we are gunning for different orders. At the same time, our new facility has been up and running this year, so which became operational in the second quarter. So the next year we'll be getting the full year capacity of that facility as well, and that will give us an extra edge over others to deliver orders much faster than the competition, which would also be having a fast turnaround time for our customers. So I think multiple products are also getting developed this year. So with product development, capacity, and the order book execution, this year has been a transformational year for JBM Auto.
Okay, fair enough. But incremental order inflow, when you talk about e-buses, what can we expect? You said that you're gunning for more orders. Quantify that for us.
Yeah, so definitely we see that multiple cities and states are looking to go for their tenders. So we see tenders for close to 5,000 to 6,000 buses in the pipeline in the next couple of months, which should be concluded. So I think the last quarter, because most of the cities and states and the center are looking to achieve their targets and conclude their budgets, that's always the best quarter in the year. And also the new orders which are placed, majority of the new orders are placed end of last quarter of the year, end of the year. So I think the last quarter would be exciting. So we're looking forward to that. And definitely we are utilizing our capacity properly until the September, so until Q2 of next financial year.
So your capacity, if I remember correctly, was close to 20,000 electric buses, right? Is that correct? That's the... Okay. And, Nishant, how many buses will you deliver in this year? That is FY24. And how many buses do you target to deliver in the next year? That is FY25. And at what realizations each?
So we deliver multiple models. So we are targeting to deliver about 40% of those buses this year and about 60% in the first half of next year.
What are the numbers that we're looking at? This year, how many buses, e-buses will you deliver?
So 40% of 5,000 is about 2,000 and 60% of 5,000 is 3,000.
So this year your volumes will be 2,000 buses and 3,000 buses next year overall from the e-bus business.
Yes, what we already have in hand. So in the H1 of next year, we'll be delivering 3,000. Yes.
Okay. All right. Nishant, now shifting focus a little bit, there have been multiple reports indicating your interest in SML Isuzu. Can you just, give us an update with regards to where things stand? Clarify on the news, rather.
See, as I shared earlier, we do not comment on market speculation at any point in time. So there is nothing for me to share with you at this juncture. And definitely we are focusing on the business at hand in JBM Auto, where we are seeing a fantastic growth in FY24 and FY25 going forward.
Would you like to deny them? Would you like to deny that you all are not in talks?
I specifically said that we do not comment on market speculation, so you could have your own interpretation of the same.
Okay, but are you interested in M&A?
Definitely, at all times, JBM Auto is interested in M&A to grow the company. Wherever we see good synergies and opportunities, we try and see how they could be synergistic for the company going forward. So we keep evaluating as any opportunity comes by.
All right, Nishant, thank you so much for joining in, giving us that outlook on the business. Just before we let you go, we didn't get your margin guidance for this year. 11 to 12% is what you had said earlier. Would you maintain that? And the next year, with higher proportion of revenues coming in from buses, can we see an uptick there?
Yes, absolutely correct. So this year would be 11 to 12%, and next year we would be looking to surpass 12%.
Okay, all right, Nishant, we're going to let you go on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's JBM Auto. Really been a transformative year for the company in terms of stock performance as well as in terms of the business, as highlighted by the management. We'll take a short break. We'll get you more on the markets. A lot of stocks in focus today. Stay tuned.
CNBC-TV18, embarking on a quarter century of excellence.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.